To pair your phone with your 2022-2023 Honda Civic, first ensure the vehicle's ignition is on and the infotainment screen is active. On your iPhone, Android, or Pixel phone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and enable Bluetooth to make your device discoverable. In the Civic's infotainment system, navigate to Settings, then Phone, then select Add Device or Pair New Device. Select your phone from the list that appears on the Civic screen. If prompted, enter a PIN, usually 000 or 1234. Confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the car's display. For iPhones, wireless Apple CarPlay should initiate automatically after pairing. Android phones will prompt you to set up Android Auto, if available, on your trim. The Civic system uses Bluetooth 5.0 for faster pairing and reduced latency. It supports up to 7 paired devices, with priority given to the last connected one. If you're having trouble pairing, start with the basics. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and that it's discoverable in Settings. Try forgetting the device on both your phone and the car, then restart the entire pairing process from scratch. If you experience connectivity drops, especially in busy urban areas with lots of Wi-Fi signals, interference could be the problem. Switch your phone's Wi-Fi to the 2.4 GHz band to reduce conflicts. The Honda Connect app, version 5.2 or later, includes built-in diagnostics tools. Use these to identify and resolve pairing failures directly from your phone. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard on many Civic trims for seamless integration. Honda has released over-the-air updates to enhance Bluetooth stability, particularly addressing Android device issues. Always ensure your vehicle's infotainment system is up to date. Some Pixel device users report occasional connectivity issues. If problems persist, check the Honda Civic Owners Club online for additional troubleshooting tips from other owners. Looking ahead, Honda plans 5G-enabled infotainment systems with ultra-low latency Bluetooth.